Yo, what's up guys? We are back into another video. Inside this video, we are going to be talking about the new kits that are going to be coming out. So, the first new kit that we're going to have, it looks like a tanker Grim Reaper. It might be skin for the Grim Reaper, or it might just be its own kits. And we already have the minor kits, and this isn't going to be a part of Battle Pass. Maybe it is, but they just sent it out. Librarian Airy. So I think this may come out inside Season 4, or it may just come out at its own time. And the new icon that came out and stuff. And then there's the Bed Wars Sheepherder kit. Probably you can buy sheep and they attack for you, or they get wool for you and resources. I don't know. But by the looks of it, it looks really good. Just look at it. It looks so cool. And then we got the beast in human form. That just has to look sick. It looks so cool. And it might be one of the best kits. And we're going to add a Cupid kit. I don't know where it is, but they're adding a Cupid kit for the archer skin. Alright, let me find. Alright, so we're also gonna have a DV archer kit. And look at the bow. There's flames coming out of it. He got white and black arrows. Look at that little iron armor piece on him. It looks so cool. It may be a skin, but most likely maybe a kit because it doesn't say skin. Because on all the skins they say skin, like the Cupid one. So this one, it has to be a just DV play kit. I don't even know if it's a skin, but it may. Okay. Now if you all like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!